sarili kong nilito. Hi guys, it's Tristine again and welcome back to the vlog. Today I'm going to do my first ever cooking vlog. So welcome to my makeshift kitchen. I'd like to introduce Miss Cham. Miss Cham, hello. Yan, say hi to the vlog. Kanina ni-ready na namin yung mga ingredients. Yan, so sa mga marunong magluto, you call this mise en place. Diba? Yung china-chop mo na, pinipil mo na, nire-ready mo na yung mga kailangan mo. And we're going to do the classic marinara.
Yes.
Chunky marinara.
Chunky.
Okay. So, if you watch my Instagram stories the past days, you would know na meron akong pinicture na truffle pasta and baked marinara. That's actually hers. Ayun. Kay, ano siya, Sion's, named after
My grandmother.
her grandmother. Shall we start cooking?
Yes.
Okay.
So, turn on natin.
Turn on. Yan. So, para po sa mga hindi nakakaalam, hindi po ako marunong magluto. Hindi ako nagtatry magluto-luto talaga. Ngayon pa lang. So, first time ko magluluto ng marinara.
We're gonna keep our heat low kasi we're using olive oil.
Okay.
So, olive oil has low tolerance in heat. If tumaas yung heat natin, it may affect the taste of the olive oil. Tapos, have garlic. Usually, it matters that when you put the oil, the pan is hot. When it comes to making sauces, Italian way, you don't really need to make it piping hot. It should be warm. Pero just make sure that the oil, as I've mentioned a while ago, is kept at low heat. And then you cook your garlic at low heat so that you won't burn it because we don't want the burnt taste in our sauce. We actually want the fragrance out of the garlic and not the burnt taste of it. Kasi sometimes you get the bitter taste kapag medyo nasunog.
So, Tagalogin ko yon for my followers. Huwag niyo daw sinugin yung garlic. Para yung aroma niya is still there. Mapabango niya yung food and wala siyang aftertaste na bitter. Yan. What's next?
We use salt.
I'm gonna salt it. Pinch?
Yes. Yes.
Ilang pinch?
A generous pinch.
A generous pinch. Okay. And then?
Maybe more.
More pa.
Yeah.
Generous talaga.
Yeah.
So we're using rock
Sea salt.
Sea salt! Wow! Social naman ang pasta natin. And then?
So we need to sweat the garlic a little more. So after
Isi-stir
a
ko siya?
minute or so.
After
You can stir it or just let it sit.
Matagal ka na nagluluto?
Oo, actually bata pa ako nagluluto.
Like, ilang taon ka nag-start?
Well,
Hindi ko gano'n. 12 din ako, nagluluto na ako, nagpupito na ako ng itlog. Oo.
Pero yung passionate cooking siguro, I started when I started to be independent talaga. Kasi naging flight attendant ako. And of course, I have to eat good food. Dahil well-traveled din ako dun sa previous job ko. I get to taste the authentic tastes of international cuisines like Korea.
That's my next question nga eh. Which food from which part of the world yung pinaka nag-impress sa'yo?
Filipino food pa rin.
Filipino food pa din, wherever you are.
There's no place like
Tastes
home.
like home.
Yes.
Okay. Well, second to Filipino food.
Ready na siguro.
Okay. Ilang pinch or everything?
It varies kung gusto mo spicy.
Gusto ko spicy, so
More.
I'm gonna pour all of it. So next to Filipino food, what's your favorite? Italian?
It's actually Korean.
Korean, okay. Well, lahat naman kasi na.
So to not burn the pepper, let's add the tomato. Then, these are locally grown tomatoes, the first one. And then the second one, we're using cherry tomatoes for sweetness.
For sweetness. Okay. Yan siya. Pero depende rin sa kanila kung gaano daming tomato yung gusto nila, diba?
Yes.
Sa lasa ng sauce nila.
Yeah.
Sige. Thank you. Okay. These are the tomatoes.
Yes. We're using San Marzano tomatoes. Or if medyo mahirap hanapin, any plum tomatoes will
Plum
go.
tomatoes yung tawag dito.
We're
Kasi
using
this plum
this
na siya.
because There's a balance of sour and sweetness, and there's almost no seeds at all.
Almost no seeds.
We're using whole tomatoes para yung quality na.
Where do you get mga ganito? Sa grocery, meron naman. Hindi naman hard to find yung mga ingredients natin.
Medyo mahirap yung whole tomatoes.
Okay. But canned tomatoes will do.
Yes, canned.
May mga canned tomatoes naman ako.
Chopped will do, pero if you just want yung quality talaga, it's best to use whole tomatoes. Actually, very chill yung pagluluto natin ng pasta.
Everything, you just let sit. Okay, wag mo nang haluin pa. Papayaan mo lang.
So, kapag nakita niyo na siya nag-simmer, it's best to add your pasta.
Agad. Okay. So, I'm gonna add the pasta na, tapos igaganon-ganon ko siya here. Okay, now it's time to add the pasta.
This has been pre-cooked for 5 minutes para
Okay.
al dente. Then you cook the rest of the minutes here with the sauce
Okay.
so that the sauce and the pasta are well combined.
So, we pre-cooked it for... Tama ba ito ginagawa ko? Ganito ba
Yes.
mag-steer?
Yes.
Okay.
Or you could just let it sit.
Even the, kaya hindi ko na siya kailangan like
Yeah.
submerge.
Not at all.
Not at
you just
all,
actually need to
okay.
toss it once it's simmered. Yeah.
So, most of the time pala, you just let them sit. You just put the ingredients here sa tamang pagkakasunod-sunod and tamang portions. You just let sit and then you're good. Napakadali pa lang marinara. Ayan, nagsisimmer
This is
siya.
pasta water.
Okay. And then I'm gonna toss it because it's
Yes.
simmering.
Yeah, you can toss it.
Okay.
It smells good.
It smells good. Yung amoy ng tomato na nagsisimmer pala. It smells
Habang
so
nagtutos
good.
ka ba, I'll chop
Okay.
some basil for you.
Okay, thank you.
The best time to chop basil is actually right before you put them.
Okay, I
Para
have
yung bango.
right before you put them. I have a question. Do we have a version of marinara where we could put much more affordable ingredients?
Yes. The best way is just to use our local tomatoes.
Okay, local tomatoes
And then you remove the
pasta. Just remove the seeds.
And then cook as it is.
Okay.
You just need to simmer it longer because it's not yet cooked. So you want the juices of the tomato to
Okay.
loosen up. You can turn it off now and then
Just
put
let
na
it
natin yung
Okay.
basil.
Okay.
And then remind ka lang, naka-turn off na yung heat natin because we don't want to cook cheese. Cheese is already a finished product, so we don't need to cook it para ma-maximize natin yung fragrance. So right now
Okay.
we're using Parmigiano Reggiano.
Okay. So this is a Parmesan cheese, diba? I'm learning a lot from the olive oil na dapat low heat up to the basil na dapat i-chop mo pa lang
perfect.
right before you put it sa pan para yung smell ba, tama?
Yes.
And wag i-burn yung garlic. And now,
Ayan.
wag
Ready na
natin
natin.
iluluto na yung cheese kasi it's processed na, it's finished na. As it is,
A generous pinch.
a generous pinch.
You could just use your...
Okay.
Or you
Eh,
get
kung
to
generous
bite it.
pitch, ako lahat. Lahat
Oh.
to, kasi I love cheese. Everyone knows, papak ako ng cheese pag wala akong magawa. Yan. So we're good.
Yes,
Is it?
that's our traditional
Wow.
marinara.
You're all good, but you said we have an optional
Yes.
addition.
There's a twist kasi tayong Filipino, we like malinamnam. We like savory food.
Yes,
So,
sobra.
what we can do is we can add butter and make it into a creamy marinara.
Oh, okay. So we could add it to this point.
Yes. It would have been better if wala pa yung Parmesan cheese. But it's okay. I mean, your kitchen, your rules, diba?
Okay,
so,
okay.
go ahead.
Gusto ko yung my kitchen, my rules.
So there. And then you could just stir it. The butter will melt with the heat naman. So
I'm
you
gonna
don't need to
stir it.
worry.
Masisira yung cheese, but okay. Tapos, we're all good. Ang bango ng butter. Ako parang kahit ano gusto kong lagyan ng butter.
Also, if you have kids or yung mga
They like it.
Yes.
They like
They
it
love
better
it
with
better kapag meron na siyang butter.
butter.
If it's too sour, you can add a little bit
If
of
it's
sugar.
too Italian for the kids.
Yeah. That's perfect.
I love it. Ang ganda. Tapos you're just gonna add that to garnish.
Yeah.
Okay. So we're done. Parang ang bilis. Ilang minutes lang yun. Diba? So pinaghalo-halo lang natin yung ingredients and pinre-cook lang natin yung pasta for 5 minutes?
Yeah.
5 minutes. Ayun. So this is what you guys could do at home habang hindi na ECQ, pero habang naka-work from home kayo or you're still choosing to, stay home and limit going outside, yan. You guys could opt to either cook your own marinara or order kayo kay Sean's. I'm gonna flash their Instagram and Facebook page. All you have to do is send them a message to order. Pampanga area lang
For the
muna.
meantime.
I'll let you guys know pag nag-expand na sila outside Pampanga. And it's my first time to do a taste test sa sarili kong luto. Yan. Syempre, hindi naman ako magiging bias. Sure lang ako na masarap siya. Because of all the ingredients, and tama yung ang sarap niya. Ang sarap ng basil and sobrang nalalasahan ko lahat ng ingredients. Like the basil, the cheese, tomato, butter,